How to track GNC order. First, search GNC on your browser and go to GNC website. Then click on Sign In. Sign in with email address and password. Then you just have to scroll all the way down until you reach the end. And you should see this section. Get helped. Under it, the first option would be Track Order. Okay, just go ahead and click on this. And it would redirect you to this page right here. And what we're going to have to do is scroll down and enter our details. So, we'll need to enter our order number, our order email, and billing zip code. You don't have to even be a registered user to do this. And then just click on Check Status. It's really that easy and simple. After that, you would see this type of web page that shows your order tracking status. That's it. Thanks for watching.